more money, more money, more money.
Hello, hello. Who doesn't want to have unlimited money and unlimited leads for your business? That's why I did the money gun, because you can do this. But first step is to create an irresistible offer. Hello, everybody. My name is Gina, known as Gina Travelina, because of my passion of traveling. I'm the co-founder of Credit to Millions. We help entrepreneurs to scale their business, get funding, $100,000 to $300,000. And I'm doing everything in the back end of the business, and I'm here to help you to scale your business with the help of my tips. So let's talk about creating your offer. That's the most important step when you start out your online journey. First step is to identify who's your avatar, who's your ideal client. For example, if you are a fitness coach, let's say niche down. Let's say you want to target moms, pregnant women, and female audience, or you target especially guys who want to build muscles. So find your little niche. If you niche down, it will be so much easier to scale, because if you don't do that, you are talking to everybody, and then no one really can relate to your offer or find you, right? So that's step one. A second most important step after you're niching down is to do your market research. Like check your competitors, what others are offering, and also do a little questionnaire in your community, on your social media. What are people seeking? What do they need help with? And if you find that little thing, that might be the one, right? But you have to make sure and validate your offer if that's a one or there's a need for your offer. Then the next step will be to choose your business model. How do you want to help people? Do you want to do one-on-one? Do you want to do group coaching? Do you want to do a mastermind? Do you want to do just an online course and have passive income and chill? Kidding, it's not really passive. You always have to work a little bit. So when they talk about passive income, it's never totally passive, but it could be mostly passive. What you have to keep in mind that people seek community. They need that accountability where they can ask questions. So whatever you're doing, create a Facebook group, a place where they can communicate, because that adds extra value to your offer. And just a place to be able to ask questions and to talk to you. Because to be honest, no one wants just to have an online course. Or how many people you think they buy an online course and they never finish it? So what's the whole sense of it, right? And regarding 101, yes, you can start off with 101s, but that model won't be scalable unless you're doing really high ticket coaching and you just choose a few people to work with in a whole year. That could be your model too. Once you niche down, you did your market research, you decided on the business model, I would go back to the competitors to see what are their offer, what are they offering, and then create something which is better or has a better value and package it that way that it makes it irresistible. I think the most important thing is the packaging. I learned it from Russell Brunson in the funnel hacking challenge, where he said the most important thing is how you package your product. Because imagine you can sell a book, for example. People pay $20 for it. But if it's an audio book and maybe you get some bonuses, people would pay $100 to get it because they love convenience, and they will compare it what are the value they are getting, right? And so that's why packaging is super important. What are you giving them? How are you helping them? When I talked about creating the package, add a bonus to it. Add something extra like a Facebook group, an extra one-on-one coaching, support, accountability, an ebook. Could be so many ways, but if that increases the value of your offer drastically, and it helps to get more clients. Another way to create an irresistible offer is to add a guarantee. People love guarantees. They don't have anything to lose. If the offer is that good, there's no brainer that you guarantee that they get to X, Y, Z results, then it's a no brainer. They won't have time, to say no to you because it's so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video.